You're not lazy, and you're not bad at focusing. The real reason your attention keeps collapsing is hiding in plain sight. 5 completely normal habits you do every single day that are quietly wrecking your focus. And the worst one looks so harmless, you'd never suspect it. That one's last. Let's drag them into the light, starting with the one playing in your ears right now. Music with lyrics while you do focused work. It feels like fuel. It's actually friction. Your brain runs language through a single channel, the same channel you're using to read, to write, to think in words. Lyrics don't sit politely in the background. They compete with your actual work for the same circuit. Your working memory automatically tries to track those words, whether you asked it to or not. So for anything language-based, you're not powering through with a soundtrack. You're forcing 2 voices through one door. The fix is simple: instrumental, ambient, or silence for real work. Save the lyrics for the gym. And if you think that's a small leak, wait until you see what one quick check actually costs you. You know the move. I'll just check this real quick. Here's what that actually costs you. Researchers at UC Irvine spent days tracking how office workers really spend their time. And the pattern was the same for almost everyone. Once something pulls you off a task, you don't come straight back to it. You drift. You touch 2, 3 other things first. Another tab, a message, a "while I'm here," and only then circle back to what you were originally doing. Average time to land back on the original task: about 25 minutes. From one quick check. Do that 3 or 4 times before lunch and the whole morning is gone. Not because you weren't working, you were busy the entire time, but because you spent it wandering back toward tasks you kept walking away from. That's why you end the day exhausted with nothing real to show for it, wondering where the hours went. They went here. So here's the fix. Stop reacting. Start batching. Phone on Do Not Disturb, and you check on a schedule. Top of the hour, not on impulse. But the next one doesn't even need a notification to get you. It's already open on your screen. Right now, how many tabs do you have open? Go count them. I'll wait. That number is the problem. Every half-open tab you keep just in case is an open thread your brain quietly keeps tracking in the background. There's even a name for it: continuous partial attention. You're never fully on any one thing. You're skimming everything at low power, all the time. And the real danger isn't a single messy session. It's that this slowly becomes your default setting. Fragmented stops feeling fragmented. It just starts to feel like how thinking works. The fix is almost aggressive in its simplicity. One task, one window. Close everything that isn't the thing in front of you. If you might need it later, bookmark it and close it. And the next one isn't even something you do. It's something you sit in. The clutter. Messy desk, chaotic screen. This is the one nobody believes until they see what it does to your visual cortex. Princeton researchers found that when objects crowd your visual field, they compete for the same space in your visual cortex. Translation: your brain burns energy just filtering the mess before you even start. A cluttered desk isn't only ugly, it's a tax. Every object in your eye line is a small, constant pull on the exact resource you're trying to aim at your work. This one's the easiest to kill. Clear the field. Desk down to only what this task needs. Same with the screen. Kill everything you just bookmarked away. Which brings us to the one I promised at the start. The worst one. And the one that looks completely innocent. Your phone. Just lying on the desk. Face down. Silent. You're not touching it, not checking it. And it's still costing you. Researchers ran this exact test in 2017 and called it, fittingly, brain drain. Same task, phone in 3 places. On the desk, in your pocket, or in another room. The ones with it just sitting on the desk scored measurably worse on memory and reasoning than the ones whose phone was in the next room, even though nobody touched it. Its mere presence drained their available mental capacity. Part of your brain is quietly spending power on not thinking about that phone, and that part is gone from your work. The one device you trust to keep you on track is quietly the thing pulling you off it. It's the most harmless-looking habit on this entire list, and quietly the most expensive. The fix is simple. Not face down, not in your pocket. Another room, fully out of sight, for the whole block. So here's the move for today. Don't try to fix all 5. Try that and you'll fix none of them. Pick the one that hit hardest, the one you felt a little called out by just now, and kill it for a week. Just one. Phone in another room. Tabs down to 1. Lyrics off. Give your focus one clean week and watch how much of your so-called attention problem was never really a you problem at all. Drop it in the comments. Which of these 5 are you killing this week? I read every one. I want to know which habit stung.